Hey everyone, David Old Nerf Guy here. Brand new rival have just landed in Canada. So let's start by checking out the Nerf Rival Fate. Welcome to that. The brand new Nerf Rival Fate. A new look, a new round. I thought Rival was dead, apparently it's not. This looked promising. It basically looked like a Chronos without the internal magazine, but it's like a rethinking of the Knockout. So let's check it out. So this brand new Nerf Rival Fate. I have to say, it got a nice silhouette. Like I said earlier, kind of looked like a Chronos without the internal magazine, but it's basically a knockout, like a more like Fire Strike style knockout instead of a Jolt style knockout. We see there is a safety here. There is a damage from transportation on my blaster. Yeah, everything seems there. I'm gonna have to open it the hard way. Okay, let's open this box. Let's do it the proper way. Let's open this box and see. Whoops. Those are my new Rival round flying. I have to say, they are kind of, they are kind of a little bit firmer. And really the hexagon is a little deeper, but it looks a lot like what we had with XXII, but bigger. I don't know if this was to break XXII from having their new blue round for a new line of blaster, but nonetheless, those are the... Okay, where's the third one? Okay, so 3 round instruction and this blaster. Got that here. Here. And now I've freed the blaster. Oh! And how... Oh, okay. Okay. Let me not try those right now. I would have preferred you open the breech while pulling, and putting it back would have closed it. It would have saved almost a step closing the barrel. But no, I dig this blaster. A little wide to my taste. I don't know if I can compare it to... Yeah. Let's say... Yeah, my Knockout. Yeah, this is a kit by France Foamwork for inline clip, but basically it's a Knockout. But you see how much bigger it is? I understand that the tube is inside and everything instead of the handle, but this thing is big. For a small pistol, it is quite big and doesn't seem to shoot that hard. Let me check that out. So, chronograph test for this brand new Nerf Rival Fate. I'm gonna try mixed round from what I have in my bin. 89. 87. 89 again. 92. 91. Let's try 2 more. 90, and let's try an X round in those. $85. Well, that's good. Give us an 89 average, 85 minimum, 92 maximum. I don't think we're going to pull out more out of this thing. But yeah, it's a standard one-shot rival. So this Nerf Rival Fate, I like the kind of adjustable sight. I like this clear yellow-green color. I don't hate the color scheme nor the profile. I really do dig rear pull prime like that with the auto opening barrel. But two things here. First is the size. I mean, look at the size of this thing. I mean, it's a little too wide for a single shot blaster. I had this kind of problem with my Diva blaster project, that I cut out the magazine and turn it out into something like that. I was just priming it. It was opening like a Chronos, putting my round and then close it. It was better. I think this blaster should have been pull. It opened on the pull. You put your round, then you push and you shoot. It would have been maybe more intuitive in the end. Maybe a bit expensive at $22 for what it is. It's basically a knockout, but I do prefer the inline tube form factor to the Endel Prime. That said, I think it's a good step in the right direction to keep Rival alive. Very happy they are. That's it for this small video. In the meantime, you can always follow me on Facebook and Instagram at @thatoldnerfguy. Please leave a like and comment, subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell to stay notified for my latest video. This was Dave Fatag. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.